Happy Friday, and welcome to the MicroMolar podcast, Biotech Signals Series. Today is May 22nd, 2026.
Here are today's top signals.
Merck and Kelun's sac-TMT plus Keytruda improved lung cancer outcomes at ASCO. The data strengthened TROP2 ADC combinations as one of the hottest strategies in oncology.
Recordity received a $12.4 billion go-private offer. The bid shows continued private equity appetite for specialty pharma assets.
Moderna's mRNA flu shot is heading to an FDA advisory committee after earlier regulatory pushback. A positive review could help Moderna rebuild momentum beyond COVID.
Novartis says Avidity's antibody oligonucleotide platform could work beyond muscular dystrophy. That broadens the strategic value of Novartis's Avidity bet.
Biogen and Denali are dropping a Parkinson's drug after a mid-stage failure. The setback reinforces how difficult neurodegeneration remains, even with targeted mechanisms.
OSE reported a Phase 2 ovarian cancer win using a Keytruda-containing regimen. The data could support further development in a tough cancer setting with high unmet need.
A tender offer for Recordati is moving forward while Sobi's gout drug passed Phase 3. Both stories point to renewed activity in specialty pharma and inflammatory disease.
Roche signed a licensing pact allowing generic manufacturers to make an antiviral flu drug. The deal could expand access and lower costs in infectious disease markets.
Gilead signed a $140 million API supply deal with a Korean manufacturer. The agreement shows Big Pharma is still tightening supply chains through regional manufacturing partnerships.
Amgen's restrictions in Japan regarding Tavneos were reversed after earlier safety concerns. The update shows how fast post-market safety decisions can shift when regulators reassess risk-benefit.
Novartis's T-Charge CAR-T platform is being compared against newer in vivo CAR-T approaches. The debate matters because the field may be moving towards simpler, directly engineered cell therapies.
In vivo CAR-T is increasingly challenging traditional ex vivo manufacturing models. If the approach works, it could reduce cost, complexity, and turnaround time for cell therapy.
Ibrance successor data and Tubulis-related oncology readouts are drawing attention at ASCO. The focus shows how breast cancer treatment is moving beyond older CDK4/6 standards.
Drug makers are presenting post-Keytruda strategies in head and neck cancer. The goal is to find combinations or next-line options where PD-1 alone is not enough.
BioMarin plans to seek expanded approval for Voxzogo in another form of short stature. A broader label could extend the drug's commercial reach beyond achondroplasia.
AbbVie and Novartis are cutting U.S. headcount. The reductions show that even major pharma companies are still under pressure to streamline.
Amgen's CFO is retiring, following other senior leadership changes. Executive turnover at Amgen comes as the company manages pipeline, M&A, and portfolio transitions.
And finally, Josh Smiley is leaving Zai Lab. The move adds to broader leadership churn across global biotech.
That's all for today's signals. Thanks for tuning in to the MicroMolar podcast.
Visit micromolar.com for more information.